Hey, this is Dr. Wickham Simonds, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the technology we're using in the Body Contouring Center to do non-surgical body contouring. So the machines we use are made by a company called InMode, and what they do is they will use bipolar radio frequency. They're going to pass bipolar radio frequency through your skin. Now, it'll go all the way down these signals as deep as your muscle, and in the areas that we want to cause some firming and toning of the muscles, it's going to cause those muscles to contract. So let's say if it's your abdomen, okay, we're talking about treating the abdomen, the signal that this machine or these machines send are all the way down to the muscle, and the muscle starts contracting. And you can have it contract several thousand times in a period, for example, of 30 minutes. I bet you can't do several thousand sit-ups in 30 minutes. So the effect can be very powerful at tightening and toning the muscle. Now, at the layer of the fat, which is just above the muscle, that bipolar radio frequency is going to destroy fat. And that's a good thing. A lot of us need that. Come up a little further to the mid layers of the skin, what we call the dermis, and what you get is the production of collagen from this bipolar radio frequency, a renewal and tightening of the undersurface of your skin. And this is excellent. There aren't machines out there that do this like these machines do. And this is really important because once you lose fat, you don't want to lose skin, you want to be tightening that skin, and this technology will do it. And then finally, the top layers of the skin, what we call the epidermis, right? It renews and refreshes and revitalizes your top layers of skin, and this makes you look more youthful. And so you get the tightening underneath and a revitalization and renewal and that fresh look on top and the destroyed fat underneath and the firm muscle. This is the effect that people want, and it's why these machines are so popular. Now, we utilize several different machines here in the clinic, and those machines are called Evolve, Evoke, and Morpheus 8, or Evolve X, Evoke, and Morpheus 8. This is Evolve X. Evolve X is using bipolar radio frequency to send signals below the surface of the skin, causing destruction of the fat below the surface of the skin and tightening of the skin on top. This is Lovey Watson, a patient and our employee at Dr. Simonds Weight Loss, getting a treatment with Evolve X. This is a picture of the Morpheus 8 platform. The Morpheus 8 uses a series of small needles to deliver a precise amount of radio frequency below the surface of the skin at 7 millimeters, and again at 5 millimeters, and again at 3 millimeters to destroy fat and to tighten skin.